Hello guys, I want people to know the true purpose of the Copyright Office. It is not to protect people's copyrights, it is to protect the big corporate Bilderberg interest of the elite. They're to protect and extort from the poor, the middle class, and those who cannot afford to pay the fees of the Copyright Office that it takes to be a part of their protection, extortion, racketeering operations. Now here is what I want you to do. I put a Facebook event to protest the Copyright Office. Now, that's why I have this phone over here. That's why I got the phone. Now, you take it, you make a call, you call the number of the Copyright Office, which is 202-707-3000. That's 202-707-3000. Now, what you do is you call them a fascist, corrupt, racketeering mafia institution. Now go onto my Facebook event, and here is where I'll explain to you what you need to be doing. Now you go on here. It's called "Call the Extortion Racketeers, the Copyright Office to Protest PIPA." The purpose of this event is to protest PIPA, to call the racketeering and corrupt institution known as the Copyright Office, and tell them over the phone for the entire day and Monday, maybe even Tuesday, before the Senate voting on the 24th, that they are a corrupt extortion and protection racketeering organization, same as the mafia, that you pledge an oath to never register a copyright in their corrupt fascist institution ever again if SOPA and PIPA or a similar bill becomes law, and that the Copyright Office are the real pirates and extortion racketeers of fascism that racketeer the poor folks, the people who can't afford to pay for protection, extortion instead of the copyright law. You know, they don't really protect everybody. The only people they protect are the people who can afford it. The people who can afford a copyright attorney are the ones that are protected. The others are bullied and racketeered against. That's why I need you to join this protest. And not to mention that, I'm also getting a court document together, and I'm going to put it on my website or somewhere, where people can send a court notice to the courts where we need to charge the Copyright Office under the RICO statutes, Racketeering and Corrupt Organizations Act, because they are a corrupt institution and they are racketeering for the super rich mafia, the Bilderbergs. They are a corrupt, mad, powerful institution that don't protect the American people. This ain't about piracy. This is about racketeering and protecting those who can afford to pay for their protection. Much like gangs, where those who join a gang are protected and those who don't are intimidated and put in fear and extorted against, and even threatened or blackmailed. These people of the Copyright Office are no different. You must join this protest. Please take your pledge. Take your pledge with your thumbs up and join me. Take a pledge. I pledge to go to protest the Copyright Office. I pledge to protest the Copyright Office, so help me God!